Accessing top-tier artificial intelligence currently costs around $20 a month per tool. By the time you subscribe to a text generator, an image creator, and a research assistant, you are spending hundreds of dollars a year just to maintain a basic workflow. But running parallel to that paid ecosystem is a 2026 reality that most users overlook: a robust market of free, enterprise-grade tools available to anyone with a computer. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a completely free, private, and professional AI workspace from scratch. High-level digital intelligence is accessible without a monthly fee. The new barrier is simply knowing how to orchestrate the right open access tools. Step 1 is establishing your foundational layer. We do this by setting up a local AI using software like LM Studio or Llama. A local LLM, or large language model, is an AI that runs entirely on your own personal hardware, rather than transmitting data to corporate cloud servers. Because the processing happens on your machine, you gain absolute privacy. Your sensitive prompts, research files, and personal data never leave your computer. You can verify this by trying to disconnect your internet. The AI continues to generate text, allowing you to work in restricted networks or secure environments without a connection. To prevent system crashes on a standard laptop, ensure you select smaller, optimized models. A model with 7 billion parameters is generally the sweet spot for balance between speed and reasoning. By running these models yourself, you establish data sovereignty, transforming an ordinary computer into a highly secure, zero-cost private server. Now that we have a secure drafting core, we need to build a research system. This requires a dual-engine setup using Perplexity and Google NotebookLM. Perplexity acts as your real-time open web engine. It searches the live internet to discover modern news and data, and it provides clickable citations so you can verify the original content. We contrast that with Google NotebookLM, which uses a process called closed-loop RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, and in a closed loop, the AI answers questions strictly from the documents you upload, such as academic PDFs. Restricting the AI to your specific uploaded texts prevents it from pulling in outside information, which creates a highly grounded system for analyzing complex material. Your practical workflow is simple. Use Perplexity for discovering new facts, and NotebookLM for summarizing and questioning the documents you already possess. Dividing research into open discovery and closed analysis creates a verifiable verification system, where every claim can be traced back to a specific source. With our research layer established, we shift to production. We do this by chaining specialized free agents together in a modular free-stack workflow. First, prompt Perplexity to gather verified facts and statistics on your chosen topic. Second, transfer those verified facts into Claude 4.5 to draft a conversational 60-second audio script. Finally, paste Claude's script into 11 Labs free tier to generate a professional voice clone. This process allows you to download a broadcast-quality MP3 file produced entirely by this digital assembly line. By leveraging the best-in-class features of each specific tool, you can produce high-quality multimedia assets without ever reaching for a credit card. To maintain this setup long-term, you must understand how the free AI landscape operates. You are managing a daily allowance credit economy rather than a monthly financial subscription. Some tools use daily resets. Platforms like Perplexity and Leonardo AI replenish their usage tokens every 24 hours, meaning they should be used consistently for your everyday tasks. Other tools have monthly caps. 11 Labs and Gamma provide a finite amount of usage that does not refill daily, so these should be hoarded for your final high-impact projects. Learning to navigate these reset cycles allows for a continuous flow of professional work without ever triggering a block that requires an upgrade. We have now reviewed a complete zero-cost architecture, a private local core for drafting, a grounded dual engine for research, and a modular audio production pipeline. To see the result, listen to this 5-second AI-generated audio clip produced entirely by the free stack we just built. Professional digital leverage no longer requires a corporate budget. It only requires the strategic orchestration of open access tools. Subscribe for more workflows, and check the description for the complete credit limit cheat sheet.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Subscribe to AI Skills Learn for more awesome content. And don't forget to like and share this video.